Hi friends, my name is Claire, and today I am going to show you how to do basic addition. So, let's start off with an easy question. You might already know how to do this, but it can still be a good review. Our first problem today is 1 plus 1. Let's say that you have one apple. Here's your one apple. The number of apples that you start with is going to be the first number in the problem, which is 1 here. Now, let's look at the second number in the problem. It's a 1, so let's say I give you one apple on top of the apple that you already have. Now, the last part of solving this problem is counting how many apples you have in total. Here, you can count 1, 2, so the answer is 2. Now, another way to solve addition problems is to use a number line. To make a number line, you draw one just like this. Add a bunch of dashes to your line and add a number under each dash on the line. To use a number line, you first look at the first number in the problem, which is a 1 here. You then find that number and make a dot above that number on your line. Next, you look at the second number in the problem. Here, it's also a 1. Then, on your number line, you will move to the right by the amount of the second number. So here, I moved 1 dash to the right, and that led us to our answer, which is 2. Now, let's try a harder problem. Let's try 2 plus 3. You can solve this problem the same way with the apples. Look at the first number. Here, it is a 2. So let's say that you have 2 apples. Now look at the second number. It is a 3. So let's say I give you 3 more apples, like this. Now all you have to do is count up your total number of apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 5. We can also use the number line to solve this problem. You can draw it out with me. The first number in this problem is a 2, so mark the 2 on your number line. The second number is a 3, so you are going to move to the right on your number line by 3 dashes. 1, 2, 3. You landed on a 5, so the answer is 5. Let's try to solve 3 plus 8. This time, we can only use the number line method. You can draw out your number line with me. Look at your first number here. It is a 3, so mark the 3 on your number line. Now look at your second number. It's an 8. So we are going to move 8 dashes to the right on the number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We landed at 11, so the answer is 11. Now, let's try to solve 9 plus 6. You can draw your number line out with me, just like you did before. A cool number line trick is to mark the first dash on the line with the first number of the problem. Here, it was a 9, so I marked the first dash on my number line with a 9. Because 9 was the first number in this problem, you can mark it on your number line. The next number in this problem is a 6, so we will move 6 dashes to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We landed at 15, which makes our answer 15. Now let's try to solve 5 plus 7. Draw out your number line with me. Because the first number is a 5, we can start our number line with a 5. Then you mark the number line at the first number in the problem, which is a 5. The next number is a 7, so we will move 7 dashes to the right on the number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We landed at 12, which means our answer is 12. Now it's time for you to practice some addition problems by yourself. You can use the number line or the apple way to solve these problems. Try to solve 2 plus 4, 3 plus 7, 2 plus 9, and 5 plus 4. Here is a number line that might help you solve these problems. You can copy it down onto your paper. You can pause this video here, and then once you've solved these problems, you can press play and check your answers. Okay, here are the answers. 2 plus 4 equals 6. 3 plus 7 equals 10. 2 plus 9 equals 11. And 5 plus 4 equals 9. If you got all of these right, good job. If not, don't worry. It can take a lot of practice. You can either re-watch this video or make up your own addition problems to practice.